I was in a car accident with two of my friends last Sunday. It was a very, very bad crash. We drove off a 25-foot cliff, traveled 45 feet onto the bed of a truck upside down. The car went upside down, and believe it or not, the worst thing to come out of it was a dislocated and broken leg.
3 teens were rushed to the hospital Sunday evening after this car flew off Mountain View Road in Crest, landing on its top.
Watch your head. Come in.
Oh my God! What the hell?
You idiot.
Oh my
I told
God.
you. Don't do that no more.
This is my SRT4 catching on fire. Dude, go get that as good as you can.
At this point, the police and the fire department are honestly trying to blame this on me. I mean, come on.
I'm guided to the hospital. I did it. I broke my jaw. Oh, fuck. As you can see, it's just, yeah. Basically, like all of this. Yeah, guys, let's see Janet. Let's go. Oh shit. Oh shit. Okay. Oh my gosh.
And I nearly killed myself and a few other people. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you will know pretty much exactly what happened. I got myself into a car accident. It was obviously the driver, and I take full responsibility for everything that happened. The whole right hand side of the car was completely smashed, dented, scraped, everything. Picture.
The day I almost died. And that's not hyperbole, that is literally what happened in these moments. I have no memory of what happened then. I only have this footage. What I remember explicitly was being so tired that I wanted to go to sleep. Had I done that, who knows what would have happened, but I don't know that I would have woken up.
This is the hardest thing I've ever done.
I think, whoa, bro. Oh my God. I can't believe it.
Are you guys alright? Is everyone okay?
Whoa, bro. Oh my God. I think, whoa, bro. Oh my God. I can't believe it.
I was actually in an accident, a car accident. Someone rear-ended me, and they actually ended up hitting my car very hard. And I did have a 5-year-old child in the car, and that my child's okay. But however, I ended up having to go to the hospital later on because I was feeling a lot of pain in my neck.
Hey guys, really sorry to say this, but I've been in the hospital overnight. It's about 4 a.m. right now. I'm hooked up to a lot of scary looking machines, but I don't want you guys to worry. I won't go into detail what's wrong with me. A lot of pain came really suddenly. So I hope to be out of here as soon as possible. But if I miss some videos, you know, there's nothing I can do about it.